Hi guys, it's Trix. Today I'm playing to a bed and I'm playing my favorite game, Crash. To be true player, I wanted to say that a few months ago I hated this game because I didn't know how to win here. But right now I got a very cool technique that works with me pretty good, like every time. So right now I'm gonna show you what it is. For a start, I wanna say that I'm playing with Bitcoin's USDT. There's like a lot of different ways to do your balance, but for me it's USDT. So let's leave like that. My bet 50 and auto stop 20. Let's be like that. And so you need to wait until, like right now I have here and then 73, so I need to start with 75 and count till 5th game. So I need to wait until when it's gonna be here 80. I think you didn't get it because it's hard to explain. I'm gonna show you. So I need to count every 5th game. So there is gonna be a big fly, like usually it's more than 10x and until 20 something, I know, but it's like 100% that it's higher than 10x. So I'm gonna put 20 right now because I hope it's gonna fly somewhere there. Okay, let's see. So right now is the 75th game. I wanna start right now and I'm starting to count, but you don't need to count because it's only 5. You need to wait until 80. So right now I'm just chilling playing because the rocket is supposed to fall like in 1x or 2 like it is right now. So just playing random and waiting until 5th game. I really like this technique, so I'm really happy about that. So let's see. Cash out. 130, of course. Okay, we're almost there. It's already 77. Okay. When I'm playing this shirts game, I know that it's gonna fly very like low, so I'm just only starting to fly and I'm already getting my cash out because I know it's not gonna fly higher. Okay. Oh my god. Good, everything is good. I thought it was gonna be 2x, but no. Okay, and the last game, 79. Let's wait. I don't even gonna stop because I'm very scared to stop, and when you're pressing stop and it's already finishing the game, you're starting again. So I hope you got it. So I wanna at first change my bet because I know the rocket is gonna fly higher. No, I'm gonna get it. Good choice. Oh, let's put here 200 because I'm sure it's gonna fly more than 10, even higher. I'm gonna just let my auto stop work and I'm gonna get my hands up. I hope it's work. It's gonna work. I really hope it's gonna work. It flies pretty good for now, but I hope it's gonna go higher than 20 because my auto stop on 20. Oh my god. A little bit more. Yes! Oh my god. Okay, let's go back to 100. No, 50. Because because now it's gonna work like it's gonna fly like very low because we're waiting again 4 games, and then the 5th one we're already getting our hands in playing pretty high. So it flies good right now. Strange, very strange. 7, okay. We got 20, 25. But my auto stop was on 20, so not bad. I wanna say. Sorry, I wanna sleep, so some words I can say very strange. Oh, we're getting, yeah, because it's supposed to fall like in a second. Like now. Almost. Okay, it's already 83. We need to be careful because in 85 it's supposed to be a high fly again. I'm sure, I'm just telling you because my technique, the best one. Oh, good. Okay, and the last game we're chilling, and the next one getting our bet higher and winning pretty good bet. Okay, we're gonna get here and let's go with 200 again. And a bet already, I can bet already because I know it's the 5th game and I'm gonna win. I hope. No, I'm sure. 100%. Not even 99. 100. Oh my god. Okay, it's gonna work. I know. Okay, it didn't fail still, so yeah. Already good. Oh my god, so scared. Auto stop is on 20, so okay, it's already more than 10. Oh my god, please, a little bit more. Yes. Oh my god, 21, pretty number. Oh my god, guys, look at my balance. It's 9,000. What did I start it with? It's like 4 maybe, I don't know. Oh my god. So guys, how you can see my technique is working. So now you need to wait until 90 here in the end, and the 5th game of course gonna be the same big fly. Oh my god. So guys, if you want to try this technique, just go below this video and tap to the link and play this game and try and see by yourself, because for me it's working. I hope for you it's works too. If it is, just write me in my Telegram channel. The link is below also this video. So if you like this video, subscribe, put your likes in. It was Tricks. See you next time. Bye bye.